My name is Dade Butler. I am the Customer Success Manager with PageOptimizer Pro, and today we are going over Google's NLP API inside of PageOptimizer Pro. First, we will cover how you can get NLP API information inside of your reports. Inside of Pop Pro, you can find the Analyze Text with Google's NLP API checkbox at the bottom of the setup area. If you are generating reports using Pop Custom, this checkbox can be found on Step 2. This is where you select your target language and region. Once your report has generated, you can find Google NLP information inside of the Google NLP tab. Common categories and common entities that have been identified inside of your content as well as your competitors' content will be marked in green. Categories and entities that have been identified inside of your competitors' content but not your content will be marked in red. By clicking on a category, you can see the entities that place you in that specific category. And for entities, you can organize these by the number of competitors that have that particular entity or alphabetical order. You can download your entities by selecting the download button here. Scrolling down, as you can see, the entities and categories present on each page are broken down individually. To the left will be the entities list. These are all of the entities that have been identified on that particular page. And to the right will be the categories. Each category will be assigned a confidence score. This is how confident Google is that your page is about what it thinks it's about. The confidence score is given on a 0.00 to a 1.00 scale. This is to say, if your score is 0.00, Google isn't very confident at all that it knows what your page is about. Whereas if your score is 1.00, that means Google is absolutely certain in what your page is about. Now you know everything you need to know in order to get started with Google's NLP API inside of PageOptimizer Pro. As always, I hope you have a wonderful day and happy optimizing.